Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Shambles be like. 1. Room after busy day. Welcome to the Museum of Misplaced Socks. Why? Everything is everywhere. 2. Kitchen after cooking. Chef finish, clean up, boss battle, unlock. Why? Cooking was easier than cleaning. 3. Gaming setup after a rage-free marathon. The battlefield has seen things. Why? Cables and snacks are scattered around. 4. Desk before an exam. I organize emotionally. Why? The desk looks chaotic despite of good intentions. 5. Morning hair. My hairstyle. Choose independence. Why? The hair refuses to cooperate. 6. Closet after choosing an outfit. Fashion. Tornado detected. Why? Clothes are everywhere. 7. Backpack. After school, I pack everything except organization. Why? Papers and supplies are mixed together. 8. Bedroom at midnight. 5 minutes clean up became betrayal event. Why? The mess keeps getting postponed. 9. Phone gallery. Pictures, screenshots, memes. Good luck finding anything. Why? Too many files are piled up. 10. Busy kitchen. Everybody's cooking, nobody's coordinating. Why? Too many activities happens at once. 11. Group project. We have a plan. The plan has left the chat. Why? Everyone has different ideas. 12. Trying to multitask one task at a time. Apparently not today. Why? Everything becomes chaotic. 13. Packing for a trip. Do I need this? Probably. Am I bringing it? Absolutely. Why? Overpacking creates confusion. 14. Desk after crafting. Arts and craft became arts and chaos. Why? Supplies are scattered everywhere. 15. Morning rush. Alarm clock. 7 a.m. Me. 7:59 productivity, goodbye. 16. Cooking without a recipe. Trust the process, whatever the process is. Why? Improvisation can get messy. 17. Trying to find keys. Detective mode activated. Why? The keys somehow vanish. 18. Cleaning before the guests arrive. Operation make it look normal. Why? Everything gets cleaned at a lightning speed. 19. Computer desktop. Every file has a home. I just don't know where. 20. Laundry day. The chair is now officially a wardrobe. Why? Clean clothes never make it to the closet. 21. Weekend plans. Schedule full. Energy level loading. Why? Too many plans can become overwhelming. 27. Trying a new hobby. Step 1. Excitement. Step 2. Mysteries. Confusion. Why? Beginners naturally make mistakes. 23. Rainy day indoors. The house became headquarters for snacks and blankets. Why? Everything turns into a cozy chaos. 24. Shopping trips. I came for one thing. I left with 17. Why? Unexpected purchases happen. 25. Organizing cables. I untangled the cable and created 3 new problems. Why? Cables love becoming nuts. 26. After a party, the celebration was successfully. The cleanup has entered overtime. 27. The ultimate shambles. Nothing is broken. We're just operating in a creative mode. Why? Sometimes chaos is simply another word for improvisation. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.